Welcome to Good English. I'm going to read out a couple of sentences. Just listen in. She was born in India in 1981 on June 2nd. In India, it usually rains in June, so she was born on a rainy day in the evening at around 5 p.m. You would have noticed that I used a lot of ins and ons, and I know that I've used them correctly because I followed the rules. So you too can make your sentences right by following some simple rules. Now, in and on are prepositions. There are other prepositions too. So today's lesson is all about prepositions and how to use them. So let's get right into it. A preposition typically comes before a noun or a pronoun, and it shows a relationship to another word. They help to give information about the time, location, and direction in your sentences. Examples of prepositions are by, with, for, over, under, above, beneath, and the list could go on and on. Today we're going to concentrate on the prepositions of time and place, which are in, on, at. These little words can get you really confused, but if you follow the rules and with a little practice, everything can be sorted. Let's see how to use the preposition on. We use on to indicate position, usually indicating that something is on top of something else. Example, the book is on the table. He is sitting on the wall. Preposition on is also used to indicate time. It's used to indicate very specific days and dates or specific times. So in a sentence, if you use the date, it means you're being specific, and therefore you have to use a preposition on. Also, when you use the days of the week, you have to use the preposition on because here again you're being specific. On is used for special occasions and festivals when we want to be specific about a particular day, example, on Christmas Day, on Independence Day. When we talk about transport, sometimes we use the preposition on and sometimes in. So we'll deal with that after we see where all to use the preposition in. Preposition in also indicates the position of something. It tells us something is within something else or inside something else. Examples, the books are in the box. The car is in the garage. Preposition in is also used to refer to a location. Example, I live in India. When talking about time, we use in. When referring to unspecific time, we use in. Like when we talk about months, year, seasons. Example, I was born in 1982. I'll meet you sometime in the month of June. In winter, it gets really cold here. We use in with parts of the day. So it's right to say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. But for night, sometimes we say at night, sometimes we say in the night. We'll see the difference a little later. And that brings us to the preposition at. At is used to describe a specific time. Example, we had lunch at 11:30. I'll meet you at 5. You could use at to refer to a general time of the day too. For example, at breakfast time, at lunchtime, at dinner time. I'll meet you at lunchtime. At is also used for a point, a specific place. For example, at the corner, at the bus stop, at the door, at the end of the road. The shop is at the end of the street. Now we've got a fair idea on how to use the prepositions on, in, at. But sometimes it can get a bit confusing because these prepositions can be interchanged and the sentence will still become grammatically right, but the meaning will change. So let's see examples. Take a look at these two sentences. He arrived at the meeting on time. He arrived at the meeting in time. Both the sentences are grammatically correct, but they mean different. On time means that the event happened at the planned time, and in time means the event happened before the planned time. So if the meeting is supposed to be at 4 and if you arrive at 4, then you are on time, and if you arrive before 4, then you are in time. We often say just in time. It means something happened before the deadline, before it's too late. Example, thank God I got the bus just in time. We also say in the nick of time. It means the same. It means just in time. I finished writing the exam in the nick of time. Here's another set of sentences. I'll see you on Christmas. I'll see you at Christmas. On Christmas talks about the exact day, that is December 25th. We use on to talk about specific days, right? Usually we say Christmas Day, but even otherwise it's fine. At Christmas is broader and it talks about the entire holiday season, the period of 1 week or more that you celebrate. One more example, people decorate their homes at Christmas. You start your decorations ahead. So it's people decorate their homes at Christmas and not on Christmas. I'm in the car, I'm at the car. I'm in the car means I'm sitting inside the car. I'm at the car means I'm not inside the car. I'm not sitting inside, but I'm somewhere near the car. She is in school. She is at school. In school suggests that she is inside the building. She is a student and she is studying. At school suggests that she is at the location of the school. She could be somebody visiting the school. What is the difference between in the night and at night? In the night refers to one specific night. For example, someone stole his car in the night. Did you hear noises in the night? They're talking about one particular night. At night is for general use. I never watch TV at night. This park is dangerous at night. We sometimes use on, sometimes in when we talk about transport. So, where do we use on? Where do we use in? We use on when we talk about public transport, that is, where we share the vehicle with other passengers. In is used for private vehicles, and that will include taxis too. Examples, I'm on a bus, I'm on a plane, there was a restaurant on our train. A maximum of 5 people can sit in a taxi. I don't allow pets in my car. So that's all for today. I'll see you soon and keep practicing till then. Bye for now.